Thanks for inviting me. I got this new blush. This shade is so pretty. Blush? Tita, I blush too. But that's not. I'm just like you. Let's come back in 5 minutes. Wow. I want a big too. Easy.
Oh, I broke the microwave! What? Start fire yourself to heat the food. Huh? Oh, Mom, I broke the microwave. It's okay, I hired a new chef to cook for you. Yay! But you work with the chef. Huh? Shall we watch this? Sorry, Mom, I broke the microwave. What? You become the microwave. Huh?